shop says they got a cooler for the bread. She said, I asked her if it's a freezer. She goes, no, it's usually under 40, but it's at 80 now. Let's go check it out. Oh, da. XL freezer. I thought it would be a freezer if they were keeping bread in it, so. There it is. They did the right thing and unplugged it. Oh, see, now that is a filthy condenser. You might look at it like that and go, oh, it's not bad. Look at it up close, compacted. That's a plugged coil right there to the max. Pluggo, buggo. Let's see if that compressor's even alive. I'm gonna plug it in and then we'll see what happens. Ooh. Defrost. This temperature control right here. The front is just a display. That's all that is. There's no interface in it. It's just a display that'll tell you what this is doing. There's no buttons on it or anything. That's all that does. So everything is within this temp control. And it should be out of defrost right now because it's hot enough. Here's the most ultimate multiple offender. All right, so the thermostat's goofy. Stuck in defrost. I can get it out of defrost. Condenser fan runs, no compressor. If you look down there, the condensate loop has sprung a leak. See all the oil? And you can see the oil on the leg there and in the hole. So it's out of gas. Oil's everywhere. And then the compressors, excuse me. You can see the overload's burned up here. The relay, the current relay. So we got plug condenser, big old Springer leaker, disc blown up. The terminals on the compressor aren't looking the greatest from where that burned up. I can focus in on those a little bit. I'm not even gonna mess around. I'm gonna quote a new compressor. We'll rebuild the condensate loop. We'll replace the thermostat and the 2 probes on this one. I think that's a start. That's all I can do on this one. Let me I'm all zoomed in. Let me zoom back out. That's gonna be what we're gonna do on this one. This one's hammered. And that's how we roll. This one's so hammered. I gotta quote a compressor. I gotta redo the condensate, discharge loop, filter dryer, deep clean the condenser, replace the temperature control in the 2 probes, and it's gonna look like this for right now. It'll be interesting to see how much this repair is. They could probably get a true freezer or some other off-brand for a lot cheaper than what my repair is gonna be. But the Delfield's really good freezer if they wanna fix it. I'm gonna try and aim them in that direction. Look at that, made in the USA. So it's in really good shape. Even the door gasket's OEM and still in great shape. So we will see. I'll keep you posted. That was the multiple offender granddaddy of them all so far. I sent the, I'm backing up right here. I sent the customer email with the price. It's expensive. It's gonna be expensive repair to repair that freezer. And then I also gave him the model and serial number of that Delfield so he could check pricing on a new one and then make a decision. I'm super honest and fair like that. I'd love to get that little job and repair that freezer. It would make a really good video, I think. Basically a rebuild of that freezer. On a selfish point of view, it'd make a great video, and There's a good little bit of money in that job right there. Just being honest. But the right thing to do is give the customer the options so they can see how much a new unit costs. You know, with labor costs and the price of parts nowadays, it's almost becoming, we're almost a throwaway society, man. It's kind of sad. And even on a, we'll see. Hopefully I'll eat my words right there. We'll see how much that freezer costs brand new. I could look it up on Google, but I haven't yet. I'll let the customer do that. And we'll see what he wants to do, and I'll keep you guys informed. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. I could always use the subscribers. Really helps me out a bunch. And if you could tell your friends that do HVAC, check out the channel. If they could subscribe, would help me out a ton. And we'll see you on the next one. Not in Kentucky, but these girls around here, yeah, they still. That is nice right there, huh? Get some. Woo.